There's something here that's going to greatly restrict the plans that you're working on, and that is Senate Bill X7-7. What it basically talks about, it requires all water suppliers to reduce urban per capita water consumption by 2020, either through a standard target of 20% reduction from the average water demand between 1994 and 2004. So the state is looking at reducing water producers. The City of Reading, the Shasta County Water Agency, allowing surface and ag diversion is going to be reduced. So this is something that's got to be brought into the process of what you're talking about here, because the consumption is going to go down 20%. I don't think I totally agree with what's going on with this bill, but this is part of the water bills that were put together in '09 from SBX 1, Section 1, Section 6, and Section 7, and there's a myriad of bills that are attached to it. Now, having said that, this organization here is a non-governmental organization. It's a regional government. I, for one, and I know a lot of us in the community, do not like regional government. If we're going to have a regional government, it's called the legislature. Right. It's not called individual groups. It's not called taking one supervisor from Shasta County and a supervisor from the other 5 counties and putting them together and then start telling us what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. So I think that I do not care for this setup here. It's not you individually. It's the process that I'm speaking to. But I don't like it. And there's going to be a tremendous amount of pushback from the public. We didn't even know, I didn't even know about this particular organization until the presentation was made before the County Board of Supervisors, and then Mr. Cupp made one before the City of Reading. So I've started digging into what's going on here, looking at the financing and how U.S. EPA is involved, U.S. Agriculture is involved, Department of Fish and Game, even CAL FIRE is involved with grants. So you start looking at all this money when we're broke as a nation and broke as a state. They can't even put together a budget that can last more than 2 or 3 months. And then we're out putting money together to put these projects together. So my thought here is this needs to disband, and we need to start working on an individual county governmental level, not a non-governmental level. Thank you.